Luigi Mangione is back in court today. Lawyers for the man accused of gunning down UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson continued pushing to have certain evidence withheld from his upcoming state trial. Now, over the weekend, the Manhattan District Attorney's Office released new photos of evidence, including a pocket knife, zip ties, and a handwritten to-do list. Let's bring in CBS News legal reporter Katrina Kaufman. She joins us live outside the courthouse. Katrina, tell us about this newly released evidence today.
So you're finally seeing some of the items that we've been seeing in court as they searched Luigi Mangione. That pocket knife, he actually voluntarily told them about. They had missed it as they were frisking him, but it's one of the many items that was taken off his person that day. A couple other notable ones include a bus ticket. It was from the very day that UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson was shot and killed. It was from Philadelphia to Pittsburgh. There was also this folded up note in his pocket. It was a to-do list with various dates on it. Some of the items were Best Buy, USB stick, a hot meal. Those were crossed out. The day that he was arrested, December 9th, it had said Intel check-in and then survival kit below.
And Katrina, also shown in court today, a video of officers searching Mangione's bag at the Pennsylvania McDonald's where he was arrested. Can you tell us about that video and how both sides are framing it?
So this is the first time that we're really getting to get a closer up look of how they were searching his backpack. So far, we had sort of seen these officers in the background of shots searching on a table. Now we're finally seeing what happened then. Now, the defense is arguing that they needed a warrant to search. They should not have been searching his backpack. So they say that this was done in violation of Mangione's Fourth Amendment rights. What the prosecution says and what the officers are testifying is that they felt this was necessary for safety. For one, in Pennsylvania, they say that they do searches incident to arrest, that this was a standard procedure for them. The officer, Wasser, who is on the stand right now, also says that she was looking for a bomb. They were concerned about it. They were worried. They brought up actually another officer previously who had accidentally brought a bomb back to their station, and she said she didn't want to be like him. So she was going through Mangione's bag. Ultimately, she does find a loaded magazine that's wrapped in some wet underwear. She's going through all these items in his bag. However, while the defense was cross-examining her, they asked her very pointed questions, like, did she make sure no one was around when she was looking for that alleged bomb? You can see customers were going back and forth to the restroom still. They hadn't cleared the restaurant, so they're really trying to poke holes in this. We also heard a conversation that transpired between some of the officers as she was leaving with the backpack. One of them said that they really did need to finally get a warrant to further search that bag. Another officer contested that they were doing this search incident to arrest. It's going to be crucial because what was taken out of that backpack was allegedly a 3D printed 9mm gun, as well as some notebooks with writings that will be crucial for the prosecution's case. So it's really going to be pivotal for both sides how this turns out in terms of what evidence is ultimately allowed in from that bag.
Katrina Kaufman, thank you so much.